Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, a backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front with blind spot detection. We got a nice black hood deflector, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some lime green accents, tons of door space, carpet interior, floor mats, cup holders, 12 volt, and 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, parking brake lights, and auto stop, auto start, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 9.4 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You even get storage underneath. Cup holders, storage with some outlets back there. Vinyl wrap center console with tons of storage. We have our drive modes, four-wheel drive, and rear locking diff. Nice little coin slot. You've got your climate controls right here. 12 volt and more outlets. Storage above and below. Storage right here. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have our AM, FM, Bluetooth, which is all fun. Just clicking into here. We have our phone, your fave apps, such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, such as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD35568, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.